What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Glad you're tuning into the Rogue Vet. So today we're going to be going to another pop-up little meet here in San Antonio. It's on the far north side, and apparently there's going to be some really nice hypercars, some Bugattis there. You might have seen another video where they were at Cars and Coffee. So they're hosting another little meet. It's Friday in the morning, 8 to 11. So this is a new meet, never been to something like this. So we're going to see all those cars hopefully again and a couple other ones. So it should be a cool little video, just kind of, seeing those cars. We'll see maybe a few guys from LSC with us. But anyway, just thought I'd make another video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe if you do enjoy the content on the channel. I appreciate everything y'all do. We made it to 3,000, so we're going to keep going forward. And I appreciate y'all for commenting on all my other social medias, Instagram and TikTok. So don't forget to follow me there. All right, guys, here's the whip, as you can see. And we're going to go ahead and drive there. It's dark. It's 6 a.m. right now, so meet starts at 8. We're going to meet up before and then go over there. Let's go. All right, as you can see, I'm in the garage here, and I know I always get a shot of everything, but there's the whip. As soon as I open that door, it's going to be dark, pitch black, because it's 6 a.m. here. We're trying to meet up before we go, and yeah. All right, guys, so we're at this meetup spot before we actually come to the show, the Palladium. Oh, there's someone else coming in. There's some boys right there. And we got a squad pulling up. The pre-meet, guys, the pre-meet. Man, he's got them welds too, them welds, PZ's welds. Got another yellow C6. Get us on a video. Oh shoot, boys, another one of LSC members just came in. Coming in hot with his almost like a chrome wrap purple. Man, look at this lineup, guys. Look at this lineup. Oh, and the Z06 right afterwards. Oh snap. Oh snap. Look at this lineup, boys. Look at this lineup. We got the Z06 right after that. There's Jay. All right. We about to roll out. Safety first. Oi. We got the cars right there, and the cars right there. We are here, as you can see, crew's right behind, but I'm gonna go walk around because I want to see these Bugattis real quick first, and then we'll go ahead and get everybody else in the video. But we're here early. We're here early. The meet technically hasn't started yet, so we're gonna wait a little bit. But I want to see these Bugattis real quick because they're insane. Hold on. Oh snap! So there they are. Look at that. These are just quick shots right here. We're gonna get more later. Mm-hmm. Got some Audi R8 action coming in. Got another Porsche. Everyone's still coming in, so I see a, look at that wagon, CTSV. We got the GTR boys here. Texas 2K, look, he got the parachute on the back on that one. Man, look at the meats. Look at those meats. Oh, it smells like race gas or E85, one of them. Ah, oh, it smells good. It smells like Texas 2K. Oh man, look who it is, little doggy. Firsty, it's Firsty, you're here. What's up, bro? Oh boy, look, we got the black on black Magnuson, excuse me. Oh boy, we got the black on black McLaren 765 LT. Oh boy. That thing is clean. Doggy action.
That's still new, I think.
It's the squad. It's the squad. Alright guys, I'm back where we are. Got a nice Z28 that came parked by me. I feel so privileged. Looks nice. I'll get a shot of the engine bay real quick. There's mine. There's the squad again. I'll just do a quick little walk down. Got everybody in the lineup. Let me get a back shot. Loving the squad here. Sun's starting to come out now, a little bit better. The Army's here. All right, guys, I do want to get a couple more cars. There's still a lot that are showing up, but I'm just getting them as they come in. Got a Challenger, Mustang, the New Edge, and a Supra right there. We got a nice Porsche coming in. All right, guys, so we got a little bit more. We got another CTSV, nice Z01 right there. And then our boy Andy. Andy! We got our boy Andy coming up. Oh, he showed up. That's what's up. We got another LSC squad member. We got to get him in the shot.
Guys. All right, brother, take it easy. All right,
Got the puppy. right, guys, that was pretty much the video. Hopefully y'all enjoyed it. We saw a bunch of nice supercars and other cars and all types of cars. So hopefully y'all enjoyed it. Like I said, till the next video, this is the Rogue Vet out. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe on my channel. All right, guys, peace.